final test. We're gonna see how the 2-post lift works now. So this thing is like the Mac daddy of all 2-posts. Can obviously lift up a big heavy duty truck like this. And we're gonna see how she works and then take some wheels off and put some new ones on.
All right, so for those of you guys that don't know, we're giving away this 2020 Ram Megacab to one of you guys. All you gotta do is go to CBOYSTV.com, and every $5 you spend gets you 1 entry into winning this bad boy. Well, today we're gonna be throwing on a new wheel and tire setup, courtesy of our boys over at Custom Offsets.
Dude, these are
they're big. So we got 24-inch wheels on some 37-inch tires. It's gonna be a pretty aggressive setup. So for whoever wins this truck, we're gonna have 2 different wheel setups for you. You'll get the current setup that's on it, and then obviously this one as well. So you'll be able to swap back and forth depending on which one you like better. Yeah, should look really good. Ready, boys?
Oh, baby. That looks good.
This one's got probably an inch more poke on each side.
Dude, this is so beefy.
It looks
Like when you
good,
look down
dude.
the side, dude.
Look at this shot, yeah. Again, if you guys want to get entered to win this thing, go to CBOYSTV.com. Every $5 you spend gets you an inch. Let's go see how she looks on the road.
Hey. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Oh. Yeah, I've been wanting this forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay. Hey. Yeah, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra.